Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to send a Word document from PC to WhatsApp. To start, open your WhatsApp session in the browser and select the contact. Then, click Attach to display the options. You must choose Document. Now select the Word file and click Open. To finish, click Send to send this file. You can click on the file to validate that it downloads. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.